Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Alfa Romeo Giulia on a 22 plate, as you can see. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off firstly inside the boot space for the vehicle. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, which can be increased by folding down those rear seats should you wish to. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in, and as I mentioned, we'll run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, firstly you can see those fantastic alloy wheels are in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the entire way around the car. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the far left-hand side, we have the coolant temperature gauge, then the rev counter. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the centre, you can see there's a digital readout for that speedometer, beneath which we have got the total miles for the car. They are 19,370. If we back out to the steering wheel, over on the left-hand side, first of all, this is where you start and stop the car. So it's keyless start. You just need to make sure the key is in the vehicle with you. And as I say, this button will start and stop the engine. Above that, we have our cruise control. Over on the right-hand side, we have our stereo and phone controls. And then into the centre is where you will find the main stereo itself. So first of all, you can see that I'm moving around the screen here. That movement is being done using the dial just here. So you can get back to your home screen, the dial will rotate, it will push down, it will move up and down, left and right as well, which will become useful within certain menus. You've also got your volume for the car here, but we'll come back to that in a moment. Back up to the main screen, it's also touchscreen, as you can see, so whatever works best for you in terms of going through the options. This is our main menu, so of course we have our audio just here, and as you can see we have got DAB radio. We have got the ability to program our own stations in along the bottom just here. You can listen to your own music via Bluetooth audio, USB input as well. We have satellite navigation, a really nice clear colour display. It's a very easy system to use. You can pair up your phone, of course. We have a driver assistance menu, your climate control menu, but we have physical controls for this, so I'll come back to that in a moment as well. And then, as you can see, various other menus available, including our settings menu at the end there. If I put the vehicle into reverse, we've also got a full colour reversing camera. Working our way down, we then have those physical controls I mentioned just a moment ago. So you can adjust the passenger and driver temperature, fan speed up and down, air conditioning on, same button will turn it off again. You can, if you wish to, hit auto. The car will now take full control for you of the fan speed and the direction of the air to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for. All adjustments will show on the screen here as you make them as well. We've got a heated driver seat with 3 different heat settings, heated passenger seat again with 3 different heat settings, heated steering wheel which is either on or off. 12-volt charging socket, USB input, which I mentioned a moment ago. We've got plenty of storage back here, 2 cup holders, the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, the volume for the stereo as I mentioned already, an electronic handbrake, and then Alfa Romeo's DNA system. So we are in A at the moment, which is your normal everyday driving. We have all weather, and then we have dynamic, and whatever mode you put it in is depicted up on this screen just here. The last thing I wanted to go through just briefly is the paperwork we have for the vehicle. Firstly, in the envelope here is the spare key, so 2 keys in total. The V5 registration document showing it's a 2-owner car from new, and then the service book. And you can see here we have stamps in 23, 24, and just a couple of months ago at the time of recording this video in 2025. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.